We're here at the Holden Arboretum about to film an interview for season 2 of By Nature's Design.